I never start a video in a hotel room. I can't believe where I'm at. So, dramatic, yes, but let me tell you, I have been blessed. Today I am in a place I never thought I'd get a chance to stay. I'm in Memphis. This is a Holiday Inn Express. It is so cool, bluesy. It's a block away from Beale Street. And we're gonna go there tonight and check things out. But before we do, forgive me. Just forgive me. It's the Peabody. Right out my window. What do you think of that? But I have to say, I am an IHG fan. It's the only place I stay. This is not an advertisement. They just have some of the coolest hotels in the coolest places that I've ever been. So yes, I am an IHG fan. This is a Holiday Inn Express, and we're in Memphis. So come on, let's go. Beale Street. I don't know if you can hear me or not. In here it's kind of loud, but I'm in Blues City Cáfe. Just ordered a half a rack of ribs. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So let's see what we get. So there you go. Beale Street by day, unexpected car show, and the Blues City Cáfe for a half rack of ribs. I'm done. I'm happy. And I can't wait to see you next time. Cheers.